yes. Let's get into it. Come on. Yeah, get a snack. Let's see the epic breakfast. Aw, create a decent breakfast? What else do you want me to do then? What else do you honestly want me to do? Oh, look up more, fine. Not on YouTube. Bruh. People, when they thought I was gonna look endings up. Bruh. Magical cake. I just need to keep getting more. Keep getting more Raux and Ticks. Okay, Roblox should have been called Raux. Because Ticks, Raux. Okay, I don't get it. I don't know what I just said there. I tried to do math, but I epically failed. I noticed the moon was pretty big, but I didn't know you could actually have, like, a small moon and a big moon, like, literally. It just showed a massive moon, and I was like, oh, that's original. Yeah, sure. Okay. FNAF. When you're getting ready to get jump scared sound. Feed me sodas. Wow. There. Hey, man. Please don't tell me you know the deal. Yes, I actually do. Aw. Can I go in here? I want to buy all these. I did. I'm getting ready to place. So you want to buy this box color? It'll cost you 5. Talk to me again. Purchase. Thanks. Okay. Okay. And here you go. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's get this. I want this. I'm getting ready to. Jeez, you really sped through it. Thanks. Yeah. I'm feeding the machine. The vending machine. Gotta get that money back up. Gotta get that money back up, man. I'm getting ready to. Boom. Yes. There. And there we go. 3. Let's keep going. There. Talk. Yeah. Hey. Let me try something. Let me actually try, like, drinking the things and then doing it. Like, consuming them both. So just 30. Oh. You're actually making me do a lot. Took almost all of my money. Okay, let's keep going. Random money just flying everywhere. What is this with the sewer? Like, it's just there. It's saying something. Again. Okay. Man, it's so crazy I met Giant Moon and Purple Guy. Met a strange purple man. A decent breakfast. Wait, okay. I need to go to the bathroom. Eh. Wait, did they add display names? No, they didn't. I was gonna say, it looks like display names. Gone. Hey, it's going slowly. I'll do that later. I'll do it for the next episode. Whoa, I'm going slow. There. Do it. I'm here. Where am I? I said I'm here, but I don't know where I am. Dummy. Wait, you're here? Oh, welcome, GraceGabe041. That was quite remarkable death. It was very unfortunate. Have you heard of the legend? Drinking orange juice and putting toothpaste in your mouth is supposedly very painful to your taste buds. You shouldn't try that. Anyway, the sheer amount of pain transported you beyond dimensions, beyond death. And that led you here. You could say you're in a type of limbo. I like to call it the void. What you got on your TV? Who exactly I am, you ask? My name is Dummy. I can see it on the top of my head. Can you see it on? Can't you see it on top of my head? What do you want to know my purpose as well? Well, you see, there are a few things you can do in this game, if you could tell. Yes. If you ever get stuck or confused, you can come back here and I'll tell you about these endings. Kinda ironic since it may have been confusing to get here in the first place. Haha. Anyway, I also kinda need you to get all those endings. Okay. Don't ask why you need to. I was just told what you needed to. I know that sounds like a hassle, but it shouldn't take that long. I will give you your orange juice and toothpaste ending now. Haha, yay, thank you. Come back here when you get all of them. Okay. Ending. Ultra death. Well, that was that one. It took a long time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe for more, and bye.